This is Donatello and Tony.
Hello.
New members to the Filipino Cycle Club.
You should follow Filipino.
Today I brought the bike along to another beautiful part of the Philippines. A part that's earned the title of an emerging paradise in the Pacific. So today's ride is reasonably short and easy going, but we'll see some beautiful countryside and meet some interesting people along the way. And I'll be starting the trip from the Church of St. Michael the Archangel, but then after preparing the bike and having a short ride through Caramoan town proper, I get into the countryside where I'm surrounded by paddy fields and limestone cliffs. So let's go along for the ride. I hope you enjoy it. Let's go. Another day at the office. Today I've made my way to Caramoan. Today I've made my way to Caramoan in the east of the country. And whenever I tell people I'm going to Caramoan, they say, "Oh, what a lovely place, it's a lovely part of the world." And I have to admit that I absolutely agree with them, because I think Caramoan is a little slice of heaven. It's a beautiful place. It's got hidden beaches, lots of islands, for island hopping. Today I'm making my way to Gota Beach from Caramoan town itself on the bike, and then Gota Beach. I hope to take a few photographs, but I think there's a possibility I might not get in because I've tried before. And then I'm going to go to Paniman, which is the nearby village. Nearby fishing village. There's some bars and restaurants, hotels. It's by the sea. And we'll see what's there. I'll stop for a pint. I might stop for a sneaky little drink of San Miguel. Hello, I come for drink.
Soft drink na.
Oo. Oh.
Palamig lang. Walang soft drink, walang coke.
Juice.
Juice fine.
Juice.
Juice fine.
Diri ka muna sa
Where you
lingkoy.
going?
Di mainit.
Where you going?
I go to the beach,
Why?
take picture.
Then
They not let me in.
you go back.
No, I go
Lakada
to
mo ng
Paniman.
palabay.
Paniman.
Oo. Look,
Tagalog?
Bicol na nga ni.
konti lang, Tagalog.
Anak, nakiday pa nga niyo ako. Ay, diwaan na kami.
Nagkwarta grasya.
Oh, red, no. Oh, no.
Oh, sorry.
Very big.
Sorry.
Only 5 pesos.
I have no coin, no barrier. Walang akong barrier.
Okay na grasya. Pagbalik mo siyang bayaran.
100.
Oh, 100.
Thank you.
Sige.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ingat!
Ingat ikaw din.
Ingat ka dati.
That's the entrance to Gota Beach behind me. And I've just been turned away. There's a security guard on the gate, alert there. Very kind, very polite, but he couldn't get permission for a visitor. He can't get past the gate unless you got a private appointment. I just thought I'd pop in and take some photographs, but they don't want it apparently. So I'm going to make my way now to Paniman. There's another beach, little fishing village. Places to stay, hotels. I might have a cold beer and something to eat. The country around here, countryside. Surrounded by limestone cliffs. Very nice. Very nice. So I'm going to head on my way now. You're on video?
Nila.
Okay, no worries.
No.
Okay, no worry. Walang problema. Walang problema.
Walang problema.
Mhm. Okay, paalam po. And that's the road I'm heading down. And this is the hill I'll have to cycle back up on the way back. And there's my destination. The blue sea in the distance. Hi. Hi. There you are. Look. Is this your tatay? Tatay mo? Lolo mo? Lolo. those islands behind me, the ones over there and the ones just round the coast there, the other ones where the film Survivor. And there's about 8 different countries come to Caramoan to film their version of Survivor, including the US and Australia. I've never seen a single program. I don't watch TV. I've never seen a single episode or whatever it is. But they all choose Caramoan, the contestants, to put them in the room frame of mind. All they see is nature. They don't. There's no technology. There's nothing built up and man-made, and that's why they come to Caramoan. So it must be wild and remote. Otherwise, 8 countries wouldn't all follow suit. And this is where they come. And this road that I've just cycled down here to the end of the beach. These are all the hotels where all the crew, TV crew, camera crew and what have you, directors, they all stayed in hotels here. And the buildings behind me, they were used to build the sets of Survivor, whatever props they needed. I did come here once before, and they were painting some kind of small dugout canoes just on the beach in front of us, with all the gear is stored here and constructed here. So I think that's the claim of fame of Paniman. It's a lovely little fishing village on the Caramoan coast, but it's so remote. This is why they filmed Survivor here.
Or no rice?
No rice.
No rice. These ones are 150.
Okay. Can I have a glass, please? Thank you very much. Singing is not for me, thanks.
I get famous, the man who can't be moved. Maybe you won't be too. Don't see me on the news, you come. And you know it's just for you, the man who can't be moved. The man who can't be moved. Cause if one day you wake up and find that you're missing me, and your heart starts to wonder where.
So I've ended the journey where I started the journey at St. Michael the Archangel Church in Caramoan. It was closed when I first got here. It's open now. Intention was to get to Gota. Gota didn't want me. Closed, Cerrado, and then I went to Paniman, which was nice. Journey was nice. Made 2 friends along the way, 2 cyclist friends who followed me on the journey. Nice and easy route. So the scenes from Survivor, where Survivor was made. The beautiful Caramoan countryside. Something to behold. It's outstanding in places. It was a good journey. It's hot. I'm going to get myself a cold drink now. and head back to base because it was a short drive to get here this morning. So head back to base and see if I can knock this little video together. This is Donatello and Tony.
Hello.
New members to the Filipino Cycle Club.
You should follow Filipino.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.